today I will demonstrate how to remove and install the rear wheels on your Qool stroller. So you'll want to tilt the stroller sideways, and you're going to locate a silver release button right here on the wheel housing. What you want to do is simply pull on the button, and at the same time just pull the wheel directly out. You'll notice there's a post attached to the wheel. This is what you will insert back into the wheel housing. There's nothing else required there. When you do that, you want to just secure it on, and you'll notice you've just now installed the rear wheels on your stroller. And that's it.